Hey guys, I wanted to make a specific love meditation slash energy healing session. So this is going to be a session that helps you align with loving yourself, and it can help you align with loving the people in your life more deeply. It can also help you align with a new love if that's what you're looking for. So this is on all levels, no matter where you are in your journey and your love life or whatever. This is meant to benefit everybody. Okay, so just get comfy. Taking a few deep breaths in as I connect with your energy using some sacred Reiki symbols. Allows me to connect to your energy. No matter when you watch this, you will be getting an energy session. Just visualize a golden and pink light surrounding your entire body, coming down from the heavens, the sky, the universe, all the way down, surrounding you, through you, and all the way down through the bottoms of your feet to the core of the earth, calling in the energy of unconditional love and protection. Now imagine this energy is expanding to your entire space, just filling the entire space that you are in right now with this energy of pure, unconditional love, pure bliss, and high vibrational light protection. So I want you to set an intention for yourself in terms of love. Maybe this is loving yourself more deeply, forgiving yourself, building yourself up rather than beating yourself down. Maybe you go beyond this to be able to more deeply love others in your life without fear, without conditions. And maybe you set an intention to either call in a loving relationship or to improve any relationship in your life with the energy of love. Just take a few moments to set your intentions now, simply by stating in your mind what you wish to experience. Now breathe in this energy right into your heart space. So you direct your breath, you direct all this energy to the center of your chest, opening up your heart, breathing it in, allowing it to fill your entire being with love, and then exhaling it out, sharing your love from your heart with the universe. So continue this, breathing in through your heart, filling yourself with love, and then exhaling this love back out to be shared with whoever needs it right now. And just allowing yourself to feel worthy of love. To feel worthy of love all of the time. No matter the situation, no matter the circumstance. In this very moment, you are worthy. You are worthy of loving yourself. You are worthy of speaking loving words to yourself, to thinking loving thoughts about yourself. And just as you are right now, you are enough. And now I'll give you a few moments to expand this love to people, animals, and situations in your life that are known to you right now. Expand this love outward and imagine this love wrapping up those individuals in your life and healing anything that needs to be healed simply by sending this loving energy. You can do the same with all situations you're experiencing, sending love to everything, asking that love heals anything that needs to be healed, mended, or shifted in your life. And bring to mind now just one person who you feel so much love for. Now, this can be somebody who has passed away. This can be an animal, a pet, a childhood friend. This can be somebody in your life, a partner, a spouse, but just somebody who you feel so much love for in your heart. And send that to them. Just allow yourself to feel this energy. It's endless. There's no conditions, there's no cap on it. Feel this power. And feel how you are loved back by others in your life, whether they're alive now or they're passed on, whether they're animals. Feel this love that other beings have for you. And finally, we're going to send this love to an unknown. So something that's next for you, whether you are calling in a new relationship, whether you want to send love to a new career, your home, like just this next stage that you are intending in terms of love. Just set the intention to send love to it. And everything plays out in the most beautiful, divine, loving manner. whatever is next, you take steps with love in your heart, completely free from fear. And all the people that you call into your life from here on out carry the same love within them. There's absolutely nothing that the energy of love cannot help create, cannot help mend or heal. So imagine there is a door in front of you. You open this door, and as you walk through to the other side, this is the next chapter, this is the next stage that is filled with love for you. When you are ready, open that door and walk through and feel the love that awaits. Breathe this in. Experience this now. We seal this love into your being, into your experience. And return now to your breath, to the here and now, carrying this fresh new energy with you throughout the rest of your day. The rest of the steps that you take in this journey. I'm just wiping off anything that you may have released. Wiping myself off energetically, and I'm sealing in this energy session. Disconnect. Anytime you play this, you will be getting this healing energy of love channeled to you and through you. So be it and so it is. Thank you. Love and light.